Good day, I'm Armand from Prin ICT and we do internet solutions. Did you know that you can increase the performance of your internet, your network, without having to increase your bill or having to upgrade to a faster internet service provider? Sometimes all you need is proper hardware. Let me introduce to you this bad boy. This is our super router. For home use and office use, it's a proper quad-core router with 256 megabytes of RAM in a router. Can you believe it? It's got 5 1 gigabit per second ports. It's not a 1 gigabit per second router, it's actually a 5 gigabit per second router. This bad boy has got dual Wi-Fi as well, which means you've got 2.4 gigahertz and 5 gigahertz at your disposal. It's got massive range with this fancy antennas, if I can put it like that. This router can be placed like this, or you can remove this panel and then the router can be placed on its side, depending on where you want it. So it looks elegant and it's very easy to use. This router is high performance. We can load custom firmware on it. We can load custom firewall rules on it. We can access things on it and block things. What I mean by that is, if you've got a device pulling down your whole network, this router will pick up that device and only block that device or limit that device. Let me give you an example. Let's say you've got a PlayStation 5 on your network pulling down your 100 megs of fiber line, for example. Then this device can pick up that PlayStation 5 and limit it. Let's say you only wanted to access 25 megs of your 100 meg speed. That is then possible to do. So please let us know if you are interested in managing your network and increasing the performance of your network with a quad-core processor router. With this bad boy, you will see rendering, latency and everything else on your network. The performance will be increased and will be improved and you won't believe it. I'm Armand from Prin ICT.